And welcome. It's Chilli Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I don't know what happened to this video, but it lost my speaking bits until a bit further on, so I'll just fill you in on what I'm doing today. I'm going to use some nice bright colours in there, but I'm doing a little bit of negative space, so hence what I'm pouring on there is white with a little bit of turquoise added, so it's made it this lovely baby blue. So that's a really nice colour actually. I really enjoyed that one. And on the other side, I'm just putting the white on the canvas. I'm going to just spread it out nice and even, just taking my time, as if you were doing this, you take your time too. So I'll just jump in where I feel I need to, and I'll speed up the boring bits. So now for the colour. I really do want some nice vibrant colours in here to make that sort of bland background pop. So it'll be all about the colours I put in. So that one is a dark turquoise. And then this one is a yellow, but it's a very pale yellow. And I'm just trying to think of the name of it. It was a... I don't know, sand or something. I will try and find if anyone's interested, but it's quite a nice colour anyway. And this is the cerulean blue that I'm adding there. And now for some hot pink. So that's going to make it pop. Actually, the pink and yellow pink, yellow and blue together are always really nice. I always enjoy those colours together. So hopefully it's going to really make this piece pop. And then I'm adding some of the cool yellow, so a really nice, bright and vibrant. This yellow looks beautiful with pink too. As you know, if you know my art, you'll know that I'm an absolute colour lover, but I do a bit of everything, just so there's a bit of variety in my particular art. So I'm just finishing it off around there with metallic gold. So once this is blown out, that gold will give it the real shimmery effect because of the metallic in it. So just putting a bit of that in too. I'm back, and I'm going to just give it a hit with my Wonder Wand, just getting rid of any air bubbles. And getting ready to give it to blow with my little mini dryer. I've got several mint dryers, but this one is my absolute favourite at the moment. So here we go. And I think about it. Wow, wow, wow. Gorgeous. Actually stop with that. That is beautiful. Just a few little bits that need to be blown out, but I don't really want to. I suppose I could do it with the dryer on low. Just give it a little bit more here and there. Oh, look at that. Wow. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness, the cells in that are super duper. What a bright, cheerful. I really like that. That is gorgeous. Oh, all I would do with that now is I want to bring you down because this is gorgeous, really lovely. Do this thing where I see the ladies bend down and blow because I end up with painted boobies, painted nose, painted hair. I have to blow out with my straw, but then it looks like little fingers. It doesn't look the same, does it? I can't do this thing. I can't do it. I end up, yeah. I must have no boobs because I end up with boobs and belly in the paint. So I'm not going to blow that any further, I guess. Just a few bits to soften it. Wow, that's lovely. That's so nice and bright. I'm going to bring you down to have a look at that. It's gorgeous. Look at that. That's so gorgeous. Really nice. Not too many cells, but look at the colours that's come through with that. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Something really nice, bright, uplifting. I think I'm going to give this one a coat of resin. So I will try and, when it's fully dry and I do my coat of resin, I'll try and pop that video onto, link it onto another one. Look at that. Oh, so nice. I love seeing the bright colours, I really do. So that's like the whole piece on the diagonal with that very watered down turquoise on one diagonal and white on the other. It will absorb into the canvas and flatten out. It kind of looks a bit chunky in pieces, but I find that it does just flatten out. But the can't see that side, looks perfectly fine. So very, very happy with that, guys. Thank you so much for joining me, my crazy art days, and I hope you enjoyed that. So bye for now, until tomorrow. Please join me tomorrow.